Hi, welcome to our channel, where we talk about health and wellness. Today's topic is about the fruits that you should avoid after the age of 50-60. As we age, our bodies go through various changes, and it's essential to be mindful of what we eat to maintain optimal health. Number 1. Citrus fruits. While citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, they can cause heartburn and acid reflux in older adults due to their high acidity levels. Hence, it's better to limit their intake or avoid them altogether. Number 2. Dried fruits. Dried fruits like apricots, dates, and raisins are rich in nutrients and fiber, but they are also high in sugar and calories. As we age, our metabolism slows down, making it harder for our bodies to burn calories, leading to weight gain. So, it's best to consume dried fruits in moderation. Number 3. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion. However, it can also cause mouth sores and skin irritation in older adults due to its high acidity levels. Hence, it's advisable to eat pineapple in moderation or avoid it altogether. Number 4. Watermelon. Watermelon is a popular summer fruit that's rich in vitamins and minerals. However, it's also high in sugar, which can cause a sudden spike in blood sugar levels. This can be especially harmful to older adults who are diabetic or have insulin resistance. Number 5. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a nutrient-dense fruit that's high in antioxidants. However, it can interfere with certain medications, such as blood thinners, and cause side effects like nausea and vomiting. Hence, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before consuming pomegranate. Conclusion. In conclusion, while fruits are an essential part of a healthy diet, it's essential to be mindful of their potential side effects as we age. So, it's best to consume these fruits in moderation or avoid them altogether after the age of 50-60. We hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching. I trust that you enjoyed the content. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notification, and share the video with your loved ones.